Hey, Emma. It's Alex here. How's your day going so far?
Oh, hi, Alex. It's going pretty good, thanks. I just finished my coffee. What about you? You sound cheerful today.
Yeah, I am. I had a nice walk this morning, the sun was out, and it made me feel energized. Anyway, it's great to chat with you. For anyone listening, I'm Alex from Chicago. I'm 28, and I work as a graphic designer. What about you, Emma? Tell us a bit about yourself.
Sure. I'm Emma, 26, from New York. I teach English online, which is fun but keeps me busy. Nice to meet everyone out there. So, Alex, what's on your mind today? We should talk about something easy and relatable.
Totally. I was thinking about daily routines, like the simple things we do every day to keep life going. It's a good topic for beginners learning English, right? Because everyone has a routine. What's yours like, Emma? Start from the morning.
Oh, daily routines. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, my morning starts early. I wake up around 6:30 a.m. The alarm goes off and I hit snooze once or twice. You know how it is. Then I get out of bed, stretch a little, and head to the kitchen for coffee. Black coffee, no sugar. It wakes me up fast.
I do the same with the snooze button. It's like a bad habit, but it feels so good. My alarm is at 7 a.m. I live alone, so I take my time. First thing, I open the curtains to let the light in. Then I make breakfast, usually eggs and toast. Simple stuff. Do you eat breakfast right away, or do you wait?
I wait a bit. After coffee, I do some yoga for about 15 minutes. It helps me feel calm before the day starts. Yoga in my living room with a mat and some music, nothing fancy. Then I shower, get dressed in comfy clothes since I work from home. What about you? Do you exercise in the morning?
Not really yoga, but I try to go for a run or walk. Like today, I walked around the block. Fresh air clears my head. After that, shower and then I check my emails while eating. Work starts at 9, so I have time. But sometimes if I'm running late, I skip the walk and just grab a quick bite.
Skipping exercise? Oh no. But I get it. Life gets busy. Tell me more about your work routine. As a graphic designer, it must be creative.
Yeah, it is. I sit at my desk with my computer, sketching ideas or using software. From 9 to noon, I focus on projects. Then lunch break, maybe a sandwich or salad. In the afternoon, more work until 5. But I take short breaks to stretch or chat with coworkers online. You teach English, right? What's a typical class like for you?
Exactly. My first class is at 8 a.m. I log in, say hello to my students. They're from all over the world. We practice simple conversations like greetings or shopping talk. It's rewarding when they get it. One student last week said his first full sentence in English. Made my day. I teach until lunch around 1 p.m.
That's awesome. Helping people learn? You're like a hero. My job is fun too, but sometimes deadlines stress me out. Like last week, I had to redesign a logo overnight, pulled an all-nighter. Not part of my routine, but it happens.
Oh, all-nighters? I remember those from college. Not fun. Thinking for a moment. After lunch, I usually take a short nap, like 20 minutes. It recharges me. Then more classes until 4 or 5. What do you do for lunch? Do you cook or eat out?
I try to cook simple things, like microwave a frozen meal or make a quick pasta. Eating out is tempting, but it's expensive in Chicago. Speaking of food, do you have any funny stories from your routine? Mine is one time I forgot to set my alarm and woke up at 10 a.m., rushed to work in pajamas.
Pajamas to work? That's hilarious. Luckily, I work from home, so pajamas are okay sometimes. But a funny story from me. Last month during yoga, my cat jumped on my back. I fell over and we both laughed. Well, I laughed. She meowed. Now I lock her out. Pets mess up routines, right?
Totally. I don't have a pet, but I can imagine. Okay, let's talk about evening routines. After work, I unwind. Maybe watch Netflix or read a book. Dinner around 7, something easy like grilled chicken and veggies.
Sounds healthy. My evenings are relaxed too. After classes, I clean up a bit, like do the dishes, then cook dinner, pasta or salad. I love cooking with music on. Sometimes I call my mom or friends. Chatting helps me relax.
Calling family is nice. I do that too, maybe once a week. But on weekends, my routine changes. No alarm. I sleep in until 9 or 10, then brunch, maybe meet friends. What about your weekends? Any different routines?
Weekends are my favorite. No early wake up, I sleep until 8, then go to the market for fresh fruits. Afternoons, I might hike or visit a park. New York has great spots. Last weekend, I tried a new coffee shop, met a friend, talked for hours. Breaks the daily grind.
Hiking sounds fun. In Chicago, I bike by the lake. It's refreshing. But back to weekdays, do you have any habits for bedtime? I try to read before sleep, around 11 p.m. Helps me wind down.
Yes, bedtime routine is important. I brush my teeth, wash my face, then journal for 10 minutes. Write what I'm grateful for. Lights out by 10:30. Thinking, but sometimes I scroll on my phone too long. Bad habit.
Same here with the phone. We all do it. You know, talking about routines makes me think. They're simple, but they keep us going. Like without my morning walk, I'd feel off all day.
Exactly. And sharing stories like this helps beginners practice English. See how we use words like wake up, eat breakfast, go to work. It's everyday talk. Smiles. Any tips for someone starting a new routine?
Good question. Start small. Like add one thing, like drinking water first thing. Don't change everything at once. What about you?
I agree. Make it fun. If you hate running, try walking with music. And be kind to yourself if you slip up. Like my snooze button. It's okay sometimes.
True. Well, this was a great chat, Emma. I learned about your yoga and cat stories. Makes me want to try yoga.
Thanks, Alex. Your walking routine inspires me. Maybe I'll add a walk tomorrow. To everyone listening, try sharing your routine with a friend. It's a fun way to practice English.
Yeah, and remember, routines can be easy and flexible. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep it simple.